In a restaurant. English class, Camila Bermúdez. The conversation between the waiter and the customer. Waiter, hello, may I take your order? Yes, I'd like a hamburger and a large order of French fries, please. All right, and would you like a salad? Yes, I'll have mixed green salad. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian, and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I like a large soda, please. My own conversation. Hello, welcome to Blue Ocean Restaurant. May I take your order? Hello, thanks. And yes, please. I'd like three kind of different sushi rolls, please. Perfect. Good choice. And would you like something else with your rolls? Yes, I want a big Caesar salad. And for your companion, the same, please. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, we'd like two Qingdao beers, please. Perfect. In 10 minutes, everything will be here. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.